You say hi? Hi. Are you going to swim for me? All right, go swim to Daddy.
Head down, big arm. Head down, big arm. Big arm. Big arm.
Good job.
Good job.
Now swim back with your big arm.
Big arm, you gotta do big arm. Big arm, go, head down, big arm. Head down.
Oh, she's doing backstroke.
Look at that, head down, big arm.
Okay, now go swim to Daddy with your big arms, Hannah.
Go swim to Daddy, big arm. Head down and big arm.
Okay, Hannah, say hi to everybody. Look at the camera and say hi.
Hi.
Okay, we'll get Maggie, too. Hi, Maggie. Hi, Boo-Boo. Can you say hi? Maggie, hi. Hi. Maggie, how old are you? You say one? You one? Well, you got one. Hi, Boo-Boo.